strumming pattern. And it's going to start on G, so check it out. Here we go. I was G and G, 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 G. I got G, D, C. So that's the first verse. Then we go to Take It Easy, which is going to be E minor, and it stays on E minor for that whole Take It Easy line. Take it easy, take it. He says take it, and then the next easy is E, 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 Z, C to G. So take it E minor, take it C, G. Don't let the A minor to C, then E minor. So that's where we come in with the A minor, C, then E minor for a little bit. So let's do it from the top of the verse. G, D, D, C, G, 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 D, 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 C, back to G. Now E minor. E minor, E minor, C, G. Don't let the A minor to C, A minor to the C, drive you E minor. One last part, C to G. You can C, you can G, C, back to G again. So a double, a repeat of C to the G, C to the G. And then now we're going to do that A minor thing again. A minor to the C, take it easy. Second verse. So let's do the whole thing from the top. Try and play with me. Hold on, G strumming pattern. Now the verse comes in. I got G, D, C. Now G, G to G, 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 D to D, 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 C, C. Back to G. Now E minor. A minor, A minor to the C, E minor, E minor, C back to G. You can C, new G, then C again to the G. Now A minor